Hey everyone, it's Andrew Nagel of Alkanine Designs, and I'm back with the next part of the Start to Finish Hybrid series. Here we're just going to be doing a simple adding of the bale to what we've already built. I'm taking a length of 2x1 rectangular wire. I'm just folding this into a little simple bale shape. I figured we'd go pretty simple with this one, not to distract from the stone and the design of the piece. So once you've shaped up your bale, you're ready to take it to your soldering station, and using the same process as we did for the base of this piece, you're going to fuse it together using solder and flux in your station. Once it's all fused together, you're ready to attach it to the wires that you have coming off of the base of your pendant. I'm not going to put it just around that one square wire. I'm going to put this around the square and the rectangular wire that I have forming the top curve of this design. I'm just going to go ahead and slide that on there. Once your bale is slid on to whatever component you're adding it to, you're ready to tie down the back ends to the foundation of the piece. Basically what we're going to do is clip off our extras, and then we're going to start turning in those ends into the body of the piece to be able to tie them down. Once you have those ends folding into the sections that we've opened up on the foundation of the pendant, you're ready to pull it through and tie it down. As you can see, this will leave you with some tool marks on the back, so when we go through the final polish, we'll be removing those and smoothing everything down. Make sure you tie off any extra ends. I'm tying down my square wire to my half-round wire. This is the square wire that was fed through the bale, and so I'm just tying this down to the other wire to make one solid section that the bale hangs from. This is a pretty easy way to add a bale to a pendant. You can do this for wire designs as well. As you can see, it sits on there nicely and the piece hangs from it and it swivels freely, so it gives the piece some motion. We're going to end up tying down this 30 gauge wire to the back, and then once all of our extra ends are tied down, we will be ready to move on to the next portion, which will be the final polishing and oxidization of this piece. I will not be showing you that in this tutorial. I will be releasing that next week, but again, it's the same process that I've shown you all a couple of times. We're going to be going through with the radial discs, the silicone wheels, we're going to be oxidizing, and then bringing that up to a final polish. But here's the bale added to our piece. You can see that it hangs freely and swivels really nicely, giving the piece a little bit more life. I really enjoy doing kind of motion styled bales such as this one or some of the other designs that you've seen. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Again, you can use this same technique to add bales to your wire pieces as well. So thank you all so much. I hope you have a great week. If you have any requests, please let me know. We're coming to the end of this start to finish tutorial, so if you have anything that you've been wanting to see or want me to go more in depth on, please let me know in the comments or message me. So thank you so much and have a wonderful day.